Discover the secrets to fight prostate problems without medicines, shocking revelations. In this revealing podcast, the host addresses prostate problems in a practical and direct way, offering advice that you can apply at home to improve your health. The focus is on common conditions: benign prostatic hyperplasia BPH and prostatitis, especially non-bacterial prostatitis. BPH, or enlarged prostate, is a condition that affects most men as they age.
Welcome. I'd like to talk about prostate issues. There's two separate entities. I'm not going to go in.
This enlargement can compress the urethra, causing problems with urination, such as a weak or frequent flow. Although many men do not have symptoms, those who do can improve by changing certain habits and diets.
To the deep physiology, I want to go into the nuts and bolts on practical things that you can do right now at home to help yourself feel better.
Non-bacterial prostatitis is another common condition, characterized by pain in the testicular and rectal areas and urinary problems without the presence of bacterial infection. Antibiotics are often prescribed to treat prostatitis, but this does not always address the root of the problem.
Scientifically, we can do that in another video. We have benign prostatic hypertrophy or hyperplasia. That's basically.
The presenter shares his personal experience, having suffered from prostatitis in his 20s and visited multiple urologists and internists. Even though his PSA levels were always normal, doctors continued to prescribe antibiotics, an ineffective treatment for non-bacterial prostatitis.
Meaning that the prostate's getting bigger. I'm going to touch on that in just a second. And the other aspect that most people are having, particularly men, obviously, over the...
To combat these problems, the podcast suggests several natural approaches: dietary changes, natural supplements, baths, heart and Epsom salts, prostate massage, exercise and postural care.
The age of, I would even say in the 30s today, is prostatitis. More non-bacterial prostatitis. Very few people have.
The podcast emphasizes that prostate problems not only affect physical health, but also mental and emotional well-being. By adopting these practices, men can live more comfortably and improve their quality of life without relying exclusively on medications.
Have acute bacterial prostatitis. That is obviously something you need to treat immediately with antibiotics. You're going to have fever. You're going to have lots of pain, burning.
An unmissable episode for those looking for natural solutions to prostate problems. Full podcast in video description.
But in general, the average male who just gets testicular aching in the rectal area, and obviously affecting your stream when you urinate, frequent urination, because of the fact that the urethra goes through that little walnut-sized prostate. And when that prostate's inflamed,